What if I told you that your body has a secret molecule that can slow down aging, repair your skin, and even help your joints feel young again, but you're losing it every single year? Most people think aging is something we just have to accept: wrinkles, joint pain, thinning hair. But what if I told you that science has found a natural way to actually slow down and even reverse some of these effects? Meet Copper Peptide GHK-Cu. It's a powerful molecule that your body naturally produces, but here's the problem. By the time you're 60, you have less than half of what you had in your 20s. That's why your skin starts sagging, your joints hurt, and healing slows down. But what if you could boost this molecule naturally and start looking and feeling younger again? 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Your body already knows how to repair itself. GHK-Cu is like your body's personal repair signal. When levels are high, your skin stays firm, wounds heal faster, and even hair grows back thicker. But as we age, our body stops making enough of it, so the healing slows down. Secret number 2. The hidden link between copper peptide and youthful skin, joints, and lungs. Copper peptide GHK-Cu isn't just for your skin. It also helps rebuild cartilage in joints and even repair lung tissue for people struggling with COPD or breathing issues. It's like flipping a switch inside your body that tells it to start regenerating. Secret number 3. You can boost GHK-Cu naturally without expensive treatments. Forget expensive creams or invasive treatments. Certain foods, lifestyle habits, and supplements can help your body start producing more of this powerful molecule. But you need to know the right combinations that actually work. If you're wondering how to boost your copper peptide levels naturally and experience these benefits for yourself, let's talk. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I guide you through the exact steps you need to take. Book a call and start your journey to youthful, vibrant health.